Good morning, everyone. Neha ma'am here, your science teacher. In the last video, I have explained to you chapter 2 component of food. Now, in this video, we will discuss about keywords, question answers, exercises, and CRT activities related to this chapter. So let's start now. First important keywords: roughage, the fiber content of the food, food components, all the nutrients present in the food. Deficiency diseases, diseases that occur due to lack of vitamin and minerals in the body. Dehydration, a condition in which our body loses a large amount of water. Anemia, a condition in which hemoglobin count decreases in the blood. Diet, the food we eat in a day. Energy, energy is the capacity to do work. Balanced diet, a diet which provides the right proportion of all the nutrients that our body needs along with roughage and water. Maybe you have understood because already I have tell you in the explanation. Now come on textbooks question. First, name the major nutrients in our food. The major nutrients in our food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Second question. The nutrient which mainly give energy to our body. What name of the nutrient we have to write which give energy? Which give energy? कौन energy देता है? Carbohydrates and fats. B part, the nutrients that are needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. हमारी growth and maintenance के लिए कौन सा nutrient help करता है हमें? Proteins and minerals. Are vitamin required for maintaining good eyesight? हमारी good eyesight, eyesight के लिए कौन सा vitamin help करता है हमें? Vitamin A. A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy. That is a calcium. Common question number third. Name two foods each rich in. You can write any food item. Fats we get from ghee, butter you can write from your own choice. Starch, raw potato, rice, dietary fiber, spinach, cabbage, carrot, ladyfinger. You can write any two. Protein, milk, egg, fish, meat, pulses, etc. Common question number 4. Tick the statement that are correct and cross that are incorrect. जो गलत है आप उन्हें कट करना है, आपको जो करेक्ट है उन्हें राइट करना है. By eating rice alone you can fulfill nutritional requirement of our body. अगर सिर्फ आप राइस खाएं तो आपकी सारी nutrition requirement पूरी हो जाएंगी. Answer is wrong. Why? Because every food item contain different nutrients and all the nutrients are important for our body. Second, deficiency diseases can be prevented by eating a balanced diet. Deficiency disease prevent करती है हमें balanced diet से. Right, yes. Balanced diet for the body should contain a variety of food item. Yes, balanced diet में अलग अलग food items होने चाहिए. Yes, right. Meat alone is sufficient to provide all nutrients to the body. से meat ही अगर हम meat ही लें food item तब हमें सारे nutrients मिल जाएंगे? No. Come on, fill in the blanks. First, dash is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Vitamin D की कमी से क्या हो जाता है हमें? Rickets. Deficiency of blank causes a disease known as beriberi. हमें कौन सी विटामिन की कमी से बेरी हो जाता है? विटामिन B1. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scurvy. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A in our food. Now we have completed the textbook question. Now we will discuss about the extra questions. How can we test the presence of protein in our given food item? हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि हमारे food item में protein है? We have done the test. I have explained it in the last video. So if you have not understood, you can see in that video. Take a small quantity of food item to be tested. Grind the food item. The put the food item into test tube, add 10 drops of water in the test tube and shake well. Add 2 drops of copper sulfate solution and 10 drops of caustic soda solution to the test tube and shake well. Observe the color of the mixture. Violet color indicate the presence of protein in the tested food item. Food item plus water plus 2 drops of copper sulfate solution plus 10 caustic soda solution gives you violet color and it indicates that protein is present in the food item. Second question. How can we test the presence of fats in a given food item? Take a solution is this. Take a small quantity of the food item to be tested. Rub the food on piece of paper. Dry the paper by keeping it in the sunlight for some time. Observe the paper. Then oily patch on paper indicate that fat is present in the food item. If no oily patch, then it means no fat is present in the food item. Write test for detecting the presence of starch. For starch, we have to take a food item, put 2 or 3 drops of dilute solution on it. If the color of the food item become blue black, then it indicates the presence of starch in the food item. Food plus iodine gives us blue black color. It means starch is present in the food item. Or you can also write it in this way. Food plus iodine gives no black color. It means no starch is present in the food item. Come on, fourth question. What is obesity? When a person eats too much fat containing food. अगर कोई भी person ऐसे खाना खा रहा है जिस food item में fats, mutant fat बहुत ज़्यादा present है, then the fat get deposited in his body and he may end up suffering from a condition called obesity. We should also take fat, but in a limited quantity. We should not take too much. If we are taking too much, then fat will get deposited in our body and we will suffer from the disease obesity. Question number 5. What are deficiency diseases? When a person eats such a food continuously for a long time which may not contain a particular nutrient, then this condition is called deficiency of that nutrient. Deficiency of one or more nutrient may cause diseases or disorders in our body. Such type of diseases are called deficiency diseases. Question 6. Write the functions and sources of the water. First, function of water. Water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. It also helps in throwing out some wastes from the body and urine and sweat. Now, sources मतलब हमें कहाँ से मिलता है पानी? Liquids we drink such as milk, water and tea, cooked food and fruits and vegetables. Here we have completed the extra question. Now we will discuss about the activities. These activities have been given in the NCERT book. Some common meals of different region and state, table 2.2. In this table, what you have to do, first you have to write the name of the any state and region of your choice. Then you have to write an item of grain. कौन सा grain वहाँ use होता है? Item of dal or meat you can write. Then vegetables eaten in that state and or other things that are eaten. One I am telling, you will do yourself. For example, first Punjab. In Punjab, item of grain is makki, corn roti. Item of dal, meat is rajma, kidney, beans. Vegetables, sarson ka saag. We can also mustard, leaf, curry. Others, they are others. और क्या चीज use करते हैं वो खाते हैं a food item curd, ghee. You have to do now. This is Andhra Pradesh, and one state you have to do yourself. This is a solution. If you have not understood, if you are not getting how to do answers, then you can see from here. Now come on, activity 2. Activity 2, what you have to do? Nutrient present in some food item. These some food items have been given. You have to find out कि in these food items starch is present, protein is present और fat is present. और जो nutrient present है आपको वहाँ पे जो भी आपको अगर आपका स्टार्च प्रेजेंट है, प्रोटीन प्रेजेंट है, फैट में से जो भी प्रेजेंट है आपको वहां यस लिखना है. अदर्स ब्लैंक में आप लीव भी कर सकते हैं, नो लिख दीजिए. नाउ सॉल्यूशन इज दिस. लाइक फर्स्ट आई एम टेलिंग रॉ पोटैटो में क्या प्रेजेंट है? स्टार्च. यस, ओनली स्टार्च इज प्रेजेंट. मिल्क विच इज प्रेजेंट विथ न्यूट्रिएंट, प्रोटीन इज प्रेजेंट. ग्राउंडनट which nutrient is present? Fat. In this way you have to do all. Solution is given. If you first do yourself, if you have not understood, then you can see the solution. Activity 3. In activity 3, this table has been given in your NCERT book. You have to learn the name of the vitamins and then you have to write the disorder, diseases you caused by this vitamin or mineral, lack of vitamin or mineral. Then you have to write the symptoms. Yes, I have explained in the last video when I have given the explanation of chapter 2. Then you can see from there also. Then first I'm telling you, you have to first learn, then you have to do yourself. Vitamin A, due to lack of vitamin A, you will be loss of vision and poor vision, loss of vision in darkness. You will not able to see in the darkness. Come on next. Activity 4. In activity 4, you have to do draw and paste. आप draw भी कर सकते हैं और paste भी कर सकते हैं, but try to draw yourself. These are very easy. ठीक है, आप बहुत मजा आता है draw करने में. Draw or paste two sources of each of the following. आपको two sources सबके सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स के ड्रॉ करने हैं. ईच ड्रॉ और पेस्ट टू सोर्सेज ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. यू कैन टेक एनी टू एग्जांपल. आप कोई भी कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स के 2 एग्जांपल्स आपको ड्रॉ करने हैं. फैट्स, यू हैव टू ड्रॉ एनी 2 फूड आइटम you are getting fats from them. Minerals, two food items of minerals. 2 food items of protein you have to draw and 2 food items of vitamin. Vitamin A, B, C, D means 2 food items of vitamin A, 2 food item that gives you vitamin B, 2 food item that gives you vitamin C, and 2 food item that gives you vitamin D. So this you can do. You have many examples. You do yourself. Now here we have finished the chapter. Now thank you. If you like the video, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.